So today we're gonna make Singapore Sling, and my objective was to get it over to the ladies before Dan got to drink it all. So they're getting a little bit left.
I'm not making another one.
He said,
"Dude, stop! That's what the
it's that good. So you want to make drinks like this at home? Of course you do. So pick up the Home Bartender Starter Kit at shop.awesomedrinks.com. Comes with everything you need, including free shipping. What common cocktails Dan D and Derek can make for your drink? It's called the Singapore Sling.
Who doesn't like the Singapore Sling?
Communists.
Exactly.
Right. So this drink recipe is going to be, it's pretty light actually. It's 1 ounce of gin, half ounce of cherry liqueur, quarter ounce of Cointreau. We're going to use Sheena because what the heck, it's the same kind
It's
of.
here.
Basically. Yep, it's there.
Fuck it.
Quarter ounce of Benedictine, 4 ounces of pineapple juice, a half ounce of lime juice, one third of an ounce of grenadine, and a
There's
dash
a
of
lot
other
of shit in this drink.
This is why I don't make Singapore
fuck
Sling
it up.
very often.
But it's a great drink.
You can't fuck up a Singapore Sling. Let's say he overpours that cherry liqueur. What's going to happen?
Oh, it's just probably going to taste better.
Oh shit, we made a
Yeah.
better drink. Singapore Sling 2.
Are you doubling
Electric
that?
Boogaloo.
Should I be doubling this?
No, let's just go with this one because we're not prepared.
We can't double it because it's too big for this.
We're not prepared yet.
It's going to be a big drink, so we'll be fine. As long as Dan doesn't drink it all.
Yeah.
Maybe. We'll see.
It is a very big drink, though. It's like 4 or 5. It's like 6, 7 ounce drink or so. There's a lot of quarters and halves.
Well,
and
there's
weird
4
shit.
ounces.
There's a lot of...
Yeah.
half,
It's basically, imagine a pineapple
1,
juice,
2,
but tastes better.
6.
That's a lot of numbers.
Yeah, there's only like 7 ounces in there.
Like 37 ounces in this drink.
Yeah. Like 8, 6, 7. I don't know.
You really just
not only did he do that, he got the hand motions and everything. Whatever.
Don't fuck him up. He's going to forget what he put in
Yeah,
there.
you can't do that with only dads.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's a bit open.
For a while.
Do you want me to breathe on it? I've done
No,
that
you got
before.
it. Got it.
What was it with you or Doug? I can't remember, but like, I'm like going to breathe on it, pop it right up. just warmed it up enough so that it would crack. I was even surprised it worked.
So was the Singapore
If you
Sling
leave your
actually
mouth
created in Singapore? Or where
It was not created. Was it created? I don't
Let
think
me
it was
see.
created in Singapore.
Let's get
it
some
was
history.
created like near Singapore.
You're going to have to come back.
I almost went to Raffles.
Oh no, it was in Singapore at the Raffles Hotel, Long Bar. You didn't go there.
I didn't go
You
there. We were supposed to go to Raffles when we were over there.
I
But
don't.
we didn't.
Yeah, I don't think you have met the bartender because Mr. Boone was making this drink in 1915. So that's a little bit different. Now
He might still be alive.
How much
There's-
Ango in this? Sorry.
a lot.
Ango?
One dash, right?
1 dash.
Okay. And there were 4 then.
Yeah.
So Waldorf Astoria kind of made it probably more like what we're drinking now in 1935 because the original drink was in the Savoy Cocktail Book in 1930. In this drink, for its Singapore Sling, if you own the Savoy Cocktail Book, which some people do because it's like going to the source of some of these original cocktails, I don't suggest using that book to make new age cocktails because you're going to probably hate most of them. This is a Singapore Sling. It's a basis of a gin sling, which was like sugar water with, in this case, the Singapore Sling had a quarter of lemon, whatever that is, a quarter lemon, a quarter dried gin, a half cherry brandy,
A lump of ice.
no fucking measures, and a lump of ice. Yes, in
Except
shake
for that
So basically, it's like sugar lemon water with
It's
gin
as
and
creamy
cherry
as I
brandy.
am right now.
What happened?
It's all good. It's all good.
Oh,
It's so silky.
oh wow!
He's loving
It looks like
He's loving life right now.
looks like a Starbucks coffee. It's a lot of foam.
He's talking about something.
Pineapple juice. Only dads at work right here.
Ooh.
So the
Garnish
grenadine
with
gives
a
it
pineapple leaf.
that- Oh yeah.
Make it beautiful.
Pretend there's a pineapple leaf in there.
Oh, where's my thingy?
So it came from the line of slings. First the gin, then the Singapore, then the straight sling.
Yeah, a gin
Straight sling
sling.
is just, what is it? Just fucking gin?
A gin sling is just sugar water and gin.
Fucking love
It's
that drink.
basically like a navy grog, which
Look
is
how it's
Oh, look
like
at-
coming off the ice there. It's like pouring
look
into
at
itself.
it doesn't look.
Look
It
at
looks
that.
like an espresso martini or like an espresso drink, like something that you made it. Wow, it's got such a flat top on it.
That looks like one of those special teas you get,
Yeah.
like the Thai iced tea.
It's so good.
Mm.
Mm,
I think he's got
mm.
that moaning is
Hold on. Mm,
So complex.
mm.
Tasty.
I'm back.
Sweet.
I get my. I do.
Yeah, you get some.
Sloppy seconds for Derek. I got my own things.
You got your own.
It's like
He kept a little aside.
Yeah.
every time. It's
You didn't want to give it all up.
That's right.
this is
Oh, it's so good.
this drink is so weird because it's like a smoky brown sugar flavor.
Mm.
Yeah.
I guess that's the cherry herring. It's like has a smokiness.
It's a smoky cherry flavor, yeah.
Yeah, it's weird. It's like
When you get this out, though, it's just not as good.
Usually not.
Oh,
There's
'cause
a
you're
couple
not getting
places to
this.
do it.
No.
because
the,
people don't want to put this
The
much
Korean
work.
place Seoul does one of these pretty decent.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah, they do. All right. Soul Kitchen in Westford.
Mm.
Yeah, this is a place where if you find somebody who can make this drink, then you go back for that drink. It's like when you go someplace, you're like, they make a really good Mai Tai. You can go to a handful of places that make okay Mai Tais. I don't know of any place that makes I stopped trying to get Singapore Slings because it's just so bad.
Disappointing.
Mai Tais are easier than Singapore Sling to get out of place.
Like I feel like it's always like for some reason it's like black raspberry like concoction of
Yeah,
whatever.
no one
because
has
they don't have
herrings.
cherry
They
herring.
use,
The
Chambord.
Chambord.
Yeah.
And
yeah.
and
It's not the same.
No.
you don't get the smoky cherry flavor. You don't. And then all you're basically getting is like a sweet. I mean, it's grenadine and pineapple juice with a fucking little bit of rum in it, a little bit of gin in it. There's not like we've already drank 4 times more gin in 2 drinks that we've already made this month than this specific drink has. This is 1 little ounce.
Mm.
Yes.
Everything else we have is like 2 ounces as a minimum, and this one's just like a little bit of gin and then a whole bunch of other
catch
shit.
up with what you were doing there.
Oh, yeah.
We already drank as much as this and this.
I don't know. I was just drinking it.
Yeah.
I didn't.
It was good.
So make yourself a Singapore Sling. Make a lot of Singapore Slings because it's a lot of work. But if you
I
can
mean,
do
it's a lot,
multiple at a
like-
time,
The thing is, you can only fit about 1 in here
yeah.
because it's like 7 ounces of stuff. So if you try to do 14 ounces of this and ice, it's
Mm.
And you could do this in batch. Like I've done them in the batch. They go fast, but you go through so much cherry herring and stuff when you start batching up like 128 ounces of it.
Yeah.
Like it's a great drink and it will be gone. But you go like it's complicated to make and you go through a lot of ingredients.
Yeah.
But
It's good.
I mean,
So-
no one's gonna hate you if you bring a batch of 120 ounces of Singapore
Singapore
Sling.
Sling. Just don't spill it all over your drink. Gee.
Oh,
It's like a
that was too soon, man.
That's just
It's been a year.
It took me 6 months to
No,
get that
not a
thing
year. It's
clean.
only been.
When was it? Was that?
No, not yet.
It hasn't been a year
That
yet.
fucking
I was
51
good
inches, motherfucker.
Yeah,
Sorry.
I didn't get that thing clean until like late August, because I had to dry. I couldn't dry it
Yeah.
because I
Yeah.
needed the sun. Everything was this green inside. It was all like growing shit. Yes, we had a punch bowl, spill it in the back of my car, all over the place. Filled.
I bet you would have tasted really good.
I brought it over to Dan's house, fucking empty.
It worked really hard.
Yeah, I know.
Spent so long
Ruined it.
I know.
building. What
For my party, for my birthday
What did
party.
you ask for? It was a complicated drink.
It was like
that-
No, it was a margarita with cucumber. It was
Oh,
cucumber.
yes.
You made the cucumber
the
syrup.
yes, I made a cucumber syrup,
Yeah.
which we already said this
Yes.
month. It has to make.
Yes.
And then it was bad and
Mm.
lots of lime. So my car smelled like lime for a while. Then it smelled like mildew. That's my story. But power washer,
Oh, yeah.
and it take all of my seats out, like all of them.
At least it's a Jeep.
I mean, thank God it's a Jeep.
Yeah, I had to disassemble the whole fucking Jeep to get it out. I was like, I don't want that anymore. Go ahead and know Singapore Sling, bartender starter kit in the link below. That's it, my friends. We're gonna teach you how to drink.
3 raging
Yeah.
boners.
This is
No blue pill.
you know, I am dipping my dick in this
All
when I'm done with
natural.
the drink.
All natural. 3 raging
This
boners.
is going to be my post-drink fleshlight. Right?
I'll tell you
That's
though.
how good this drink is.